Hey guys, it's your girl Bahamianunicorn again, back with another video. It's 11:46 p.m. and I'm getting ready to go out. And I said, what better time to review my Yes Oh Yes bag? Then now, let me do a makeup look with it. And that's what it is. It is what it is. This month's Yes Oh Yes bag is this right here. Let me just pull out the card. 2019, month of January. It actually included the card this month that has everything that's in the bag and the prices. We will get back to that. Now, the first thing I pulled out with the card is the OMG eyeshadow collection by Crown Pro. This is it here. I was most excited about this because I saw it had beautiful colors. Like when I saw a blue in this and I was like, oh my god, I have to. It has holographic casing. This is how it looks. Let me turn my light back up. And this is how it comes with a little plastic bag. Plastic cover. It has a mirror. It could fold straight back. These are the colors. Let me give a little swatch. So this is how they look. Nice color payoff and all of that. That is okay. You see it better now. That is that blue. Oh my god, it's like a purpley color. Then we have a shimmer gold. Then we have a matte blue, and then we have a matte brown. The next thing in the bag, I pulled out a highlighter, Twilight, the Universal Star highlighter. This is how it looks. Oh no, it's broken. What in the what? Is it supposed to be broken? Ooh, this doesn't look like a highlighter. This is the highlight. Ooh, that is the highlighter right there. The next thing in the bag is Peel Pigment eyeshadow. This is how it looks. Bluey grayish. That's how it looks right there. It looks gray on camera, but it comes off like a bluey silvery, like it's like a black with specks of gray and purple glitter. The last two things in the bag are the NCLA Los Angeles polish. I do have on clothes. I just have on the tube. This is polish. I do nails, but I don't wear polish because I have no nails right now. But it's a pretty color. And the last thing in the bag is this matte lip gloss. This is how it looks. It's like a cranberry color. It's very creamy going on my hand, so, but it's not, it feels more velvety. It doesn't feel like it'll dry down matte, is what I'm saying, but I'll know. It hasn't been drying down yet, so I don't know. But that is the swatch for that. Let's get on to the card. Let's see how much everything cost. January 2019, the Beauty Creations liquid lipstick, which is this. That is $8. The retail price on that is $8. The OMG Crown palette, this goes for $10. The INMO Universal Star highlight, that goes for $10. The Appeal Cosmetics charcoal pigment is what? Wow, this is $21. And the NCLA Luxury Gold Glitter Lacquer is $21.
And I'm going to just put it in my, I'll put it in there, I'm just going to pat it down right there. Oh wow, this looks like the same color as my skin. I'm getting it sort of, I'll tap it and go into it. And I'm just going to put that right below, pat that down. We all want to be careful with black, because it could go very wrong very quickly. And I typically don't use black as a like a medium color. And I'm just going to go and smoke out the ends of it. But I'm going to want like a smoky look tonight. And I'm going to put it right in my crease, just to break up the black. Know that. Mike doesn't call me, right? And I was in the middle of recording this. And I'm too punk just makeup matrix. Nobody knows. What the hell was I thinking just now? Wow. I gotta leave my trash box. And I'm just gonna do a wing. Simple wing. I think a wing makes everything better.
Okay, unicorns, this is the final look. I did my other eye, I added lashes, and I added a lippy. I put some nude in the middle of it to give it like an ombre look. And I added the highlight. Ooh, look at that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video from your girl, Bahamianunicorn. Thank you guys so much for watching. And do not forget, don't go broke pop styling for these niggas. And remember to always be you, because nobody else can. Goodbye.